guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video. I just have to start off by saying if there's any mess, which I'm sure you probably can see in the background, I'm so sorry, but I haven't got time to clean it up because I've got a client call in half an hour and I really wanted to film making these muffins for you guys because I've been absolutely loving this recipe. So yeah, just ignore any mess. Okay, so this recipe has been such a go-to for me at the moment. These are protein muffins. They literally take 15 minutes, that is it, in the oven. Really good ingredients. Yeah, it's just an absolute winner. So you've got to try this recipe out. Skin loving, acne friendly, all that great stuff. So all you need is a food processor. This probably would even work in a blender as well. I'm sure that'll be fine. So we're just gonna go straight to it. The first ingredient that we need is a banana. So this is gonna be my sweetener basically in this recipe. So 1 banana goes in. We are then going to do about 1 cup of oats. For the protein element, you just want a protein powder. So I have got a vanilla flavored protein flour powder. And I do like the vanilla because I think the vanilla flavor works really nicely in the muffins. So if you can get a vanilla one, that'd be fantastic. But yeah, you can just experiment with what you've got. There you go, 1 scoop of protein powder. Okay, let's add in one of our wet ingredients. So you do need 1 egg. Crack that in. I'll have this full recipe in the description box down below and I'll definitely be making a reel or like some kind of Instagram content of it at some point. So when I have that up, I'll also link that. The next ingredient you want is some yogurt. So you can use any kind of yogurt of choice for this. So you could use like Greek yogurt if you wanted to, or flavoured one if you wanted to. I'm using a dairy-free yogurt. So this is the Nush Almond yogurt, so almond milk yogurt. Usually I would use the original plain one, but they've been sold out. So I've actually been getting the strawberry flavored, and actually, yeah, using a flavored yogurt in this recipe works really nicely as well. So we're going to use 4 generous tablespoons of yogurt. Yes, look at that spoon. Okay, next up, you are going to want about half a teaspoon of cinnamon. I am using my Ceylon cinnamon for this, for those lovely insulin sensitizing benefits. It's really good for your blood glucose. Okay, this is totally optional and not necessary to everyone, but I am gonna add just a teaspoon or 2 of the In Vivo by Me Prebio PHGG, so partially hydrolyzed guar gum. This is a prebiotic fiber basically, which is really good for gut health. It's good to support your bifidobacterium inside your gut. And this is just something that I know I need to boost in myself, so that's why I add it into the recipe. So if you are playing around with that prebiotic fibers like PHGG, you can add it into a recipe like this. If not, just skip this step because you don't have to do this. This is just added health benefit. So I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of that in there. So we're going to do half a teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, and then lastly, I'm gonna add in a tablespoon of any nut butter of choice. So I'm using almond butter. Again, licking the spoon, the best bit. Okay, then you wanna put your lid on and give that a good blend. Oh, it'd help if it was on. Okay, and that is done. You then want to get your cupcake cases. So I'm just using these reusable ones I got in B&M. For this recipe, I usually get about 7 cupcakes. A bit of a random number, but yeah, that's how many I normally get. And then I'm literally just going to fill each one up. By the way, if your batter is like really runny, that's totally fine. Like, don't get put off by that. It doesn't need more flour, it doesn't need more stuff. Honestly, this recipe, it starts off really runny, but then when you cook it, obviously, it all kind of comes together, but also when we take it out and let it cool, the mixture kind of even firms up a little bit more. So yeah, just consistency wise, if it's runny, don't worry, that's totally fine. What I love this recipe for as well, guys, is it's great as a snack, but it's also so good pre-gym. So if you go to the gym in the morning, for example, and you don't want to have like a full-on breakfast, but you do want to have just something before your workout, I find these so good. Another addition which you could do is you can add some chocolate chunks if you want to make it a little bit more indulgent. That's a really nice addition. I haven't played around with fruit. You probably could maybe add in like some blueberries or something. But yeah, you can really play around. This is just a really great base, I would say. Okay, and then I'm just gonna pop these in the oven at 200 degrees for 15 minutes. Okay, it's a little bit later, I'm not gonna lie, so my lighting probably isn't the best. The muffins were actually done, but I had like a minute to get on my call with my client, so I didn't have time to eat one. So I've just eaten one now. Literally as soon as I got off my call, I was like straight to the tin, got one down my mouth, because oh, they're just so good. But anyway, they are done. So yeah, they took 15 minutes to cook, and also now because they're fully cooled, like they go to the right consistency as well. And then yeah, I just store these in a Tupperware box and have them throughout the week, and they are just so yummy. I literally have to stop myself because I could eat the whole tray of these. Okay guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm really sorry for the low quality filming. I probably could have filmed it a little bit better, but I just really was excited to share this recipe with you guys. So it's very real in the life vlog style. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future videos. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah. Bye. I need to have one more mouthful. They're just so good.